Okay, everybody, check this out. Oops, I think I done found somebody who is glitching repairs. For the reason why I say this is Dragon Ball had come to my base for a little pussy rim job slash I'm going to suicide my fleet. Come on, load up. For them right here. As you can see, he entered my base. Lost his interceptors. So, in the meanwhile, Dragon Ball, he wants to message me. Now look at here, 8:41. We're talking back and forth, blah blah blah. Told him that they're all pussies. Told him that him and Joker got the same picture. And then here, 8:58, 8:58, 8:58. Here he wants to chap my ears off. All the way, as you can see, 58, 58, 58, 59. For about 2-3 minutes straight. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Until I said, well, I know then well to know, I know well enough to know nothing strange about them. I understand. We don't die. Hell, I've been at this for a long time. So other than a 20-something hours repair for me, what did it cost for that fleet of repairs? I only have one scepter. And as you can see, 15 minutes at least went by. 10, 15, from 9 o'clock. 20, almost 30 minutes went by, and all of a sudden now, he does not know. I says, right here, uh-oh, do you not know the repair time for those, for the cost? You chatted back and forth till I asked about repair. I think somebody doesn't know. So, with this video, somebody let me know something. Because as you can see, I'm in repair. So, okay, that's enough of Eddie's TV. Tell me what you think.